What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the show. We are continuing now in Salina at this beautiful Stutzman's location with Ben, of course. Ben, it's so great to see you.
Thanks for coming up here.
Yes, I am so excited about this location. Everything is so beautiful and custom. Tell us all about Salina.
You know, I think this may be the first time that we did a segment here in Salina, and actually Salina is our #1 location.
Wow.
From a volume standpoint, and the location here right on corner of 9th and Cloud, you can't miss us driving by.
No.
And sometimes this has been funny, but we've had kids refer to us as to their mommy, there is the flower circus, because we have a tent here.
Yeah.
But they get a little humor out of that.
Yeah.
No, Salina has been an incredible community to be in. I think we're going about 12 years here.
Wow.
And looking at moving this next year because of this. Kansas West Saline owns this property, so we'll do some changes. But one thing I'd like to feature here is this location, more than any location that we have, we'll do custom planters for people. If you have, patio planter that you really want to look good and maybe not take the time to do it yourself, they do it here. Just a few samples here, but there's so much that can be done, from what we often refer to as the thriller that gets some height, the filler that kind of fills in the middle, and then the spillers that kind of come over the edge. They truly do that here, but Salina has just been a wonderful spot. Their merchandising, their displays here, even where we are in the middle of July. Stunning.
It's absolutely beautiful.
Stunning.
And as I mentioned off camera, each of your locations, it's so fun to come and see because they're all a little different, have a little bit different spunk and vibe here.
I give our managers a lot of opportunity to let their juices of creativity go. But you see any Stutzman's location, you can kind of identify just by the type of plant material that we have and how well they look. And we'll talk more, as the season progresses, as we go through different plant for the time of year. But right now, of course, we're featuring a lot of what really does well in our Kansas heat.
Yes, it is hot out here. I'm not sure I'm doing as well as these plants out here.
You're doing amazing.
Right now. Thank you. But like I just said, each location's different, but has the best quality of plants that you'll find here in Kansas. How can people find more information?
You can always go at Stutzmans.com, or listen to the Stutzman's Home and Garden Show on Saturday mornings on radio with Jason French, our host for that. You can go questions at Stutzmans.com, and it goes directly to Jason, and he'll get back with you with anything that he's amazing. You probably will never stump him with a question.
Well, I have yet to stump him with a question. I ask a lot of odd questions, but thank you so much for being with us today, Ben. Make sure you check out any of the Stutzman's locations across Kansas, but especially the one here in Salina. A lot more in Good Day Kansas coming up next.
This segment of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's Greenhouse. From their garden to yours, expect success with Stutzman's.
We would like to say thank you to everyone who has shared and enjoyed the healthy lifestyle of gardening with us. Hi, this is Ben Miller. It's still Stutzman season. It's time to add or freshen up with our beautiful heat-loving summer plants that are now in stock at all our garden centers. These plants will pair perfectly with the planted flowers or enjoy them as stunning patio planters or hanging baskets. Just arrived. Gorgeous tropical houseplants plus cactus plants for your patio or home. Visit one of our garden centers or find us on Facebook or Stutzmans.com.
A Stutzman's Greenhouse, everything's green with